Luxury has wheels, and now, it has a passport. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a concept that redefines what it means to travel first class, on land. It's more than a vehicle. It's a mansion on wheels, engineered for the globe-trotting elite. Crafted with classic Rolls-Royce DNA, the motorhome exudes presence, measuring over 30 feet long, sculpted with elegant lines and modern coach-building finesse. A two-tone finish, illuminated spirit of ecstasy, and iconic Pantheon grille make a statement even in the remotest destinations. And with deployable side terraces and automatic leveling, the motorhome transforms every stop into a luxury lounge. Inside, you're welcomed into a rolling penthouse. Designed by the same artisans behind the Phantom and Ghost, the motorhome offers hand-stitched Connolly leather, ebony wood trim, and even real marble fixtures. The cabin includes a private bedroom suite, spa-inspired bathroom, a full-service kitchen, and a cinema room with OLED surround. Controlled via Rolls-Royce's signature Whispers app, you can manage every detail with a whisper: lighting, climate, security, even route planning. With Level 4 autonomous driving, the motorhome can drive itself on mapped routes, letting you relax in total confidence. And thanks to active suspension with camera-aided road preview, the ride is always smoother than silk. Powered by an all-electric dual-motor system, the 2026 motorhome offers silent motion with over 800 horsepower and a range of 700 kilometers, 430 miles, on a full charge. Charging is lightning fast with 350 kilowatts DC support, and it even integrates solar panels on the roof for auxiliary power in off-grid locations. This isn't just luxury, it's Rolls-Royce Bespoke on another level. You can commission custom art panels, champagne refrigerators, onboard libraries, or even a drone launching observation deck. Every motorhome is a reflection of its owner's vision. No two will ever be alike. Targeted at royalty, moguls, and global collectors, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome made its global debut at the 2026 Geneva Auto Salon and quickly became the most talked-about luxury RV in the world. Production will be extremely limited, with rumored pricing starting at $3.5 million USD, before customization. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a statement of freedom, elegance, and limitless imagination. Would you travel the world in this ultra-luxury mobile retreat? Let us know in the comments. And for more jaw-dropping concepts like this, like, subscribe, and ring the bell, darling, because your next dream drive is just around the bend.